Howdy guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're going to organize all of these eyeshadows into this palette. This is a new magnetic palette from Lethal Cosmetics. They used to only have like 12 to 16, I think, eyeshadow pan palettes, but this one holds 24, and I went ahead and got 24 for their Black Friday sale. So I figured we could take a look and arrange them in this video. I did not pick a specific color theme, color palette. I just picked the ones that I thought that I would use. So we're gonna see if I can try to organize them or if I ended up buying a bunch of similar shades. So I'm going to take these out of the package and then arrange them on the table and then put them into the palette. I think that'll be easier for me, especially with nails, instead of like accidentally gouging them all. I do like that they have minimal packaging on these. The only plastic is that little piece. It drives me nuts when the whole thing is in just a big plastic shell. And I have this little nail file here to show me if I'm in frame or not. So that's a pro tip for you. So there are all 24 of the shades that I picked out, and as I suspected, there's a slight theme, some outliers, but let's go ahead and organize them into color family. I'm not sure if this is how I'm going to specifically keep it. So there's some purples, greens, pinks, and 2 neutrals, and then these lighter colors here. Yes, so 4 short ways and 6 long ways. So I'll put these 2 at the top and then kind of move into pink. Then I think maybe this one can go up there with the pinks, and then I'll probably zoom in a little more than that. Coral kind of colors here. That one semi-pink, but not really. So this is the problem, that I didn't pick a specific color theme when I was picking these out. I just picked the ones that I thought that I would want. Or do I want the colors going this way, or do I want them going this way? I think maybe I want them this way, so let's redo what I just did. Okay, that row I like a lot, so let's keep that going. Okay, yeah, I like this a lot better, so we'll keep on with that theme. I guess I'll do the purples next. I can always change this later if I end up not liking it, but usually if I pick a layout for something, I don't want to change it. So this looks off here, even though it goes with that one. Or should that be switched as well? Okay, I think that is it, so let's put them in the palette. I do like that there's a little bit of wiggle room there, so they're not like impossible to take in and out. So there is my completed Lethal Cosmetics Build Your Own palette. I have not tried the shadows yet. I wanted to get them open and organized, obviously, before I start using them. And somewhere or sometime on Instagram, I'll put a picture of this with the shade names on it, so that way you know like which ones are which, because I really couldn't remember and I don't know the names of any of them yet off the top of my head. So that was it for this video. Let me know what you guys think if you like this style of video, and click over here to watch my most recent one, or click over here to watch my last declutter. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss seeing my face in your subscription box every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The links to Lethal Cosmetics, my social media, and my blog, my website will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the comments. Bye.